Have you done this tool, clone stem tool?
Yes, sir. Clone stamp tool. I done.
Okay.
At home, I also done this tool.
Okay, we have the script, the history browser. Okay. In this class, we are going to know a little bit more about this layer panel, okay? Because this is important. In this class, we are going to cover all of this option. Okay, for this, I'm just opening an image. This is an image. Edit mode. Okay. Look at this. Sometime when you open image, you will see this type of thing like index. Then if you want to do anything else, it will not work like this. Oh, now it's working. Okay. So, okay. Now if you want to unlock this one, it will not unlock like this. I'm just pressing there. It's not unlocking. Okay. When you see this type of images, type index. You can go there, image mode, then convert it to RGB color. Now we can unlock this layer. Got it?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Sometime you will get this type of image, so you can easily go image mode, then change this to RGB color, then you can unlock it, you can duplicate it, you can do anything else. Okay. So let's get to this layer panel. So first of all, this is your opacity, layer opacity. Suppose I'm creating cancel. I'm creating a rectangle there. Then this is, you can change this color. Okay, this is my rectangle. Okay, now I'm selecting rectangle layer, right? Now I'm selecting this layer. If I decrease the opacity, you will see the difference. Look at this. I'm decreasing the opacity and it's look like this. If I make it what happened, if I make it 10%, you'll see. If I make it 100%, this is 100% opacity. If I increase this one like this, got it? Opacity, it's just opacity.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, it's just controlling rectangle layers opacity because I have select only this layer. Fill, almost like this. This is the filling, the fill color like this. If you can increase.
This is also related with opacity.
It's related opacity. Yep. Then the next option is lock. You already know what is lock. If you lock this layer, you are not able to do anything else with this layer because this shape layer must be destroyed or anything else. You can't move this layer. You can't move this layer. Look at this because it's locked. Okay. Then output.
We go to image and we selected RGB and then the unlock the layer.
Yeah. When you got this type of like this type of image, sometime we'll get like I want to unlock this layer but it's not working. Sometime look at this, I want to unlock, I want to make a duplicate but it's not working. So you can change the image mode to RGB, then you can unlock it, you can play around with this image. Sometime you will get this type of image called indexed. Okay, so I'm creating a rectangle. We have done about opacity, lock, artboard. This is
How to unlock the opacity lock? This lock. How to unlock? Yeah, this lock.
you can click this, then it will lock. Then you can click this, it will unlock. Just clicking there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Or you can also click here. It will unlock. Okay. This is artboard lock. Suppose I'm creating New. Then yeah, maybe I have show you about artboard. Okay, let me show you artboard first. So suppose if I deselect this one, if I create new one, it's just creating one artboard. Okay, one artboard. So
Okay, sir.
suppose you are designing a book cover. So in book cover, you want to design the front page and the back page, right? At a time. So you can take artboard. For this situation, you just click there, then it will create an artboard. Then if you select this artboard tool, then if you select there, look at this. I'm selecting this artboard tool. Then you'll see you can add more artboard like this. Suppose I want to design a flyer, I want to design a brochure. For brochure, there would be 3 page or 4 page. So I can start designing from this page, when I am done this page design, then I can design this page. Like you can take lots of artboard at a time. This is artboard. Okay, this is the artboard. So in this layer option, if you see this, this is artboard lock. And the third artboard, this one. You can't do anything else with this artboard because this is locked by this. This is artboard lock. You will see this icon. This is locked by artbook. And the second one is move tools. Look at this. It's also similar to lock icon. Like you can't move this layer. This is locked by like move tools. You'll see this icon. This icon is move icon. Look at this. You can lock this layer as this move tool. Now you can't move this layer. Sorry, this layer. If you lock also this layer, you can't move any layer because you are locked this layer according to move tools. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Okay. And this is lock image by pixel. Like this. If I go there, look at this. Could not the brush because the layer is locked. You can't draw any brush in this layer because this layer locked by brush tools. You can't do anything else. Like you can Control T. You can move this layer, but you can't draw brush in this tool because this layer locked by brush. Got it? In this icon,
Got it, sir.
the first icon, this means it's locked from all of this. You can't do anything else. And the second one is this is locked with by artboard. You can't move this artboard.
This is artboard
Yeah.
lock.
And this one means this is move tool lock.
Move to lock.
Yeah, look at this right now. I can do anything else, but if I want to move this one, I can't because this is locked by move tools. This is a meaning. In this tool means it's just locked by brush tool. I can't brush anything
Brush
else.
tool. I
Yeah,
cannot do
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, this is locked by brush tool. And this one is
Pixel lock.
transparent pixel. Like this. Yeah, this is transparent pixel. This one. This is locked by transparent. Like You can't move the backward, something like this. Locked by transparent pixel. Yeah, this pixel is locked. That's it. This is not necessary, okay? This is all of this locked item. And the interesting is blending option. This is called blending option, and this is the mode. There are effective mode, name mode, color mode. If we choose this, it will change. This is our default mode. Okay. Okay. So let me open the image. Open image. Then this scroll. Okay. Look at this. This is index. I can't do anything else with these images. So I can just go there, image mode to RGB color. Now I can move this one. Okay, suppose let me open Bangladesh flag. Have you watched World Cup final match? Hatif,
Yes, sir.
have you watched World Cup final match? Football
Yes,
match?
sir. World Cup final match.
Yeah,
Argentina was won.
yeah, this is a thriller match.
Yes, sir. I also support Argentina.
But I support Brazil.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
That's a nice match.
okay.
Whole team was crying.
Okay. Look at this. I'm just opening my flag, Bangladesh flag. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now my blending mode. If I decrease the size, it will look like something like this. The opacity. Okay. Now my
Oh,
okay.
perfect.
Yeah. You can use with opacity. You can decrease the opacity. Sometime you will see watermark on image on someone image. So watermark also work in this way. Like I am the photographer of this image. I want to use my watermark Arif Remal. Then you can easily just decrease the opacity. Then this is my watermark in this image. So this is in this way people makes watermark. Just decrease the size. Got it? Okay.
Noted, sir.
Let me make it 100%. Okay. Now if I change the blending option, it's one kind of mode. Okay, one kind of blending mode. You can call it one kind of effect. The normal is opacity 100%. If I change this one to darken, you'll see this type of effect like this. If you change this one to multiple like this, you will see this type of effect. If you change this one, you will see. Look at this, the changes like this. Suppose I want to use this flag on her face. So you can just like this. Then you can change the blending mode, which one is suitable for her face, like this. Then okay, now it's look like this. So we can use now I'm just simply change my blending mode to color dodge. You can change another mode. Then you can, if you decrease the size, it will look something like this. In this way we can use blending mode. Let me show you another example. Suppose, yeah. Save images. Save. Open with Photoshop. Like I want in the type tool, I'm like BANGLADESH Bangladesh. Then character, then change the color to white. Okay. Now if I use I'm just simply typing my country name. Then if I change this blend mode to like this, look at this. It's changed according to these pictures, like the web. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It's magically mixed with these images. So you can change another mode. Then I think it's looking good. Look at this. Look at this.
Yes, sir. This is a thing.
Yeah, look at this. It is looking original. And if you adjust with opacity, you will see more like its original image. So in this way, we are using our blending mode option. It's overlay. If I make it, this is normal mode. If I make it overlay or screen, I can do it. Can change. You can also work with another effect like this. Yeah, look at this. This is the thing. You can use the blending option. Okay, any question about these options, blending option?
No, sir.
So in this way, you can use lots of way, like you can texture, texture, the texture background. Then so you can type your name here, then you can change the like blending option. So you will see like so that's it. This is the blending option. When we are creating poster, we'll see this options how it's work on our project. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, and the top part is almost done. Okay, okay, let's just start with this. Okay, with this option. So first one is solid color. Suppose this is my layer. Okay, I have to deselect this one. Output at one output. Yeah. Okay. This is my output. So I want to change this color. So if you want to change this color, you can do like this. You can go to rectangle tool, then you can do this one. So this color is changed. You, you can do this in another way. Like I'm just selecting my layer. Then if I go there, if I click solid color, then you can change your color. In which color you want to fill your output. Suppose I want to fill with this tool, with this color. So if I click there, look at this. Now it's changed. This color is
It's a
changed.
rumor doing working or not?
Mm, no, he is not working.
Okay.
Okay, so in
He
this way,
prepared all the things of this Adobe Photoshop.
sorry.
I say he all prepared the all things in Adobe Photoshop.
Yeah, he did all this.
Oh, nice.
So if you want to change this color, so in this way you can change your output color with anyone else. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Solid color.
Got it, sir.
This is called solid color. If you turn on and turn off, you can do this. If you want to lock this layer, so you can lock this layer. This is the thing. This. Okay. The next one is gradient color. Gradient color means if I click there, gradient color. If I click there, basic blue. Look at this. In this color, there is not only one color. You'll see the two color, right? This area is one kind of like white color, and this color is bluish color. So there are two color, not only one color. This is called gradient color. And the middle side, you'll see another thing like this. This is called gradient color. So
Okay, sir.
you can look at this. I'm changing another one. I'm changing. Look at this. In this color, you'll see three color. Color 1, color 2, and color 3. This is called gradient color. Okay. You can also change this color. If you click there, then if you double click on it, you can change this color to black. This is the middle color, this color to white, this color to red, like this. You can also change this color. This is the top color. You can change this is the bottom color. So you can change this. Oops, there are lots of preset. This is preset color. So you can change this color to like this. So if you want to change this color, you just click this one. Then you can change this color to red like this. This is your color. Then this is smoothness, color is smoothness. Then this is solid color or noise. If you select noise, there will be something like this. This is solid color. Then if you hit OK, it will change this. And this is style linear. That means it start from here to here. If you change it to radial, look at this. Is start from the center. If you change this angle, it will look like this. If you change it reflect, it will something like this. If you change this diamond, it will appear like diamond shape. So linear. Now it's looking good. You can also change the gradient angle. If you click there, look at this. Now it's 8.81. It's starting from here. If you change there, now it's starting from here, like this, like this. You can also scale the value, like all of this color scaling, like this. You can control this. And if you click hit OK, it will create a gradient color. Suppose if you want to delete this one, just click there. If you want to make again, go to there, go to there. This is a ready-made preset. You can choose from here, then click OK. It will looking something like this. Got it? The gradient.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. The first one was solid color. If you select solid color, it will appear only one color. And the second one is solid color. It will appear with 2 or 3 color. This is the thing. Okay. Let's see what's next. The third one is pattern. Pattern is like it's already created. If you go there.
We done this pattern color or not?
Sorry.
And stamp with this color, pattern color in stamp tool.
Are you talking about the
Pattern.
yeah, pattern stamp tool? This
Yes,
tool?
sir.
Oh,
Yeah, this tool.
yeah. You can do from here, or if you want to do this pattern within one click, you can do it from this option. Like you just only click one click. If you click only one pattern, it will create it. You can do in this two way.
I just say we done this on
Sorry?
this is a one click or this is a
Yeah. Look
okay
at this.
okay.
Yeah. Look at this. If you want to make pattern from here, so what you need to, you have to go there, then you can do like this. This is also related to this, like this. So if you want to do all of
Okay.
this thing at a time, this is quickest way. Like go there, click pattern, you can do. This is
Okay, sir. This is a quickly method.
quickly method. In this solid color, same. If you want to fill this color to solid color, you just go there. You can do there. You can just draw a rectangle, then you can fill. But the safest way or quickest way is just go to there and choose color from here, like this.
Okay.
This is the quickest way. Okay. Brightness and constructs. This is related to image. So let's open this image. I'm just duplicating this layer. Okay. The first option is brightness. So brightness means just increasing the brightness of your image. Look at this. I'm increasing the brightness. Construct. It's working the deposit opposite side of like brightness by increasing the image brightness, and it's just affecting the darkest area. Construct mean is just increasing the, look at this. If I increase the brightness, it's just affected this area, like there will be light area, like this lighting area, right? uh, Look at this area, this area, and this area, and this area, lighting area. If I increase this size, it will affect only this lighting area. If I decrease this size, it will affect only this lighting area. So brightness working with lighting area, and a constructs working in different way, is affecting the darken area. Look at this. In this area is darkening. Now if I increase the value of construct, it will just affect this dark area. It will make it more darker. But decrease this edge.
More dark,
Okay.
increase the dark color.
So you got it. The brightness is just affecting the brightness area, and the construct is just affecting the darkest area. This is the thing, brightness and constructs. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So if suppose you have image something like this, that's low brightness, so you can just increase the brightness. You can also work with construct, so you can, this is the thing. This is by the tool. The first tool is brightness and constructs. Okay. Okay, suppose place Invert. Okay, suppose there are two image. Okay, there are two layer, right? The first one is a man and the second one is house. Hello, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So I want to increase the brightness only this image. Okay, I want to increase the brightness only the first image, like this. I'm just selecting there, then brightness and so on. Look at this. I want to increase the brightness and construct only this image. I don't want to increase the brightness and construct with this image. Okay, I don't want to affect this image with this tool. So if you want to just increase only brightness and contrast with this image, you can do a little bit thing. If you press Alter, and if you move your cursor there in this location, uh, there, the middle point of this layer, of this two layer, and if you press Alter, you will see this icon, this type of icon. If you press this one, now If I hide this layer, look at this. My layer is okay. It's not affected with this. With this tool. If I decrease the size, if I decrease the brightness and construct, it will not affect this image. It's just affect with this image. So this is called clipping mask. If you want to edit only with this image, you can just make a clipping mask, then it will only affect with this image. Others layer, others image will be good. Got it? If I press Alt again, then if I just release the clipping mask right now, if you see this, it will also affect these images, this layer. So if you want to affect only this layer, you can just make clipping mask, so it will affect only this layer, other layer will be working as it is. Should I repeat again?
No, sir.
Got it? Oh, that's nice.
Got it, sir. Just repeated the angle of this angle. Alt plus, yeah,
Yeah,
this line.
if you move your cursor there in this position, like between two layers, like there, then if you press Alt, it will make clipping mask with this layer. It will affect only this layer.
Okay, okay, sir.
This is the thing. Let's see. Label is also like, look at this. Whenever you I'm just deleting this one. Now let me hide this or delete this layer. Now let's work with this layer. So whenever I'm clicking there and I'm clicking label, in the top bar, in the bottom one, you will see this option, clipping mask option. If you click there, look at this. If you go your left, look, it's just creating the clipping mask. You don't need to press Alt, you don't need to make it clipping mask. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
In this layer option, so it's also related to okay, let me open it. Okay, do you know the full meaning of RGB?
Red, green, blue.
Yeah,
Red, green, blue.
yeah. Suppose in this picture we have what is blue color. So I want to work with the blue color.
Blue
So
color.
if you increase the size, you will see the blue color size is increasing. Only the blue is like this. Blue color is increasing. Right now, if I increase more, it will just increase the bluish color. Suppose in some time we'll see some images with bluish effect, like some images have lots of blue color. So with this help of a labels tool, you can decrease the blue colors from any images. Got it? Sometime you will get an image like this image have lots of blue color, so you can directly select the blue color and you can just decrease the blue color like thing. You can decrease the blue color brightness like this. For this image there is if you increase the blue color, this is blue color. In this image this is green color. You can also increase the green effect like this. If you work with red color, you can work with individual color. Look at this, is increasing the red color. So if you want to work with these three color at a time, RGB, red, green, blue, now it will increase red, green, blue color at a time like this. And there are lots of preset, darken preset, then increase preset. This is preset, like it's one kind of template, it's ready-made. You can also use this one like this. Look at this, increasing construct tree, it's just increasing all
Here is
this
the
thing.
original picture, the darkness and the shine picture.
Yeah, it's just, look at this, it's just increasing the uh blue color, is just increasing the color.
Green color.
Yeah, as it is. This is a ready-made preset. So if you want to see the original, let's embed. No, we can do another thing, we can just duplicate it. Okay, this is the original image, and after editing, this is the image. It's looking more attractive, more sharpness. Okay. So curve like this, you can increase the value. I'm clipping mask, I'm making it clipping mask. In this way, it's the same red, green, blue. You can work with individually, right? If there is any red color, you can only work with red color. You can increase the red color like the brightness or darken. In the top side, this is increasing the brightness. In the left side, it is just decreasing the brightness. Green, you can increase the green color tone. Blue, you can increase the blue color tone like this. And there are lots of custom preset. You can use it. It will work. Or you can individually select this color, and you can increase this color like this color too. You can work with this color too. Right now I'm just selecting this one, that's why it's effect with this color. This solar, that's it. This is everything is related to photo editing. Whenever we'll see this option, filter camera raw folder, most important tool in for most important option in Photoshop, then we'll cover photo editing. Then the next one is exposure. Exposure is one kind of brightness. You can, like, suppose you have this type of images, so you can increase the exposure. It will be make more brightness, offset, then the gamma correction or something is related to photo editing. Exposure, then vibrancy, your image vibrance, saturation. Okay, vibrance is work with like this. If you see this area, if I decrease this size, it will make like something which color, gray. If I decrease this size, it will like modi effect, something like this. If I increasing this size, it will increasing the value like this. Suppose if I decrease this size, it will decrease the green color value. It's for this area. Uh, like this is blue color, this is green color area, this is also green color, this is brown color, this is white color area, this is also blue color, and the sky also blue color. If I increase this vibrance color, it will increasing this more sharpness, like increasing more. Suppose if I decrease the vibrancy, it will decrease the color tone of this like blue color. If I increase this vibrancy to 100%, it will increasing more bluish effect. If I decreasing this color, it will decrease the green color tone. If I increase this size, it will increasing this green color tone. I hope you get it. So vibrancy work with their color tone. Like if you increase the vibrancy, it will increase their color tone. If you decrease the size, it will decrease their own color tone. Got it?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. Saturation also saturation make it more like, if when we are working on vibrancy, it will not like increasing with brightness, but if I working with saturation, it's just increasing the size, and it's also increasing the brightness of this color like this. If I decreasing, look at this, it will increasing the green color, and it will also increasing the green color brightness. Look at this, look at it, it's just increasing the green color, it's also increasing the green color brightness, something like this. This is called vibrance and saturation. I'm deleting this one, Control Z. And the next are hue and saturation. So hue and saturation. Suppose hue, it's this is switcher. In this line, you'll see lots of color. This area is red color. This area is blue color. Sorry, yellow color. This is
Below
blue, and this is pink. Something like this.
pink
So in our images, every images we have the main principal color is red, green, blue. But
RGB.
RGB, red, green, blue. So sometime we'll have suppose I have a image. This image have lots of bluish color. Like I want to decrease the bluish color from this image. So what can I do? I first of all I am going to selecting this. Look at this. Whenever I'm moving my cursor to this color, the blue color, that means this color for this image, this color, you'll see this color will be changed. That means I'm selecting this color. Look at this. I'm now selecting this color. Humans just select this color. Okay. And now saturation, you can increase this color. Look at this. It will affect only this color. And others color is fine. It's not affecting this color. So humans just select this color.
Flower was changed, sir. The flower was yellow.
This color. Oh, saturation. Few minutes ago, it's just saturation means it's just uh, increasing the brightness, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. So if I increase this one, it will affect this color, and it will also affect this area. Maybe there will be some bluish color. Uh, look at this. There are also some reddish color like this area, like
The flower was a red,
yeah,
and right
yeah.
now there is a yellow.
Some reddish, some yellow. This is not 100% like this color. That's why it's also affect this area. It's also affect this color. Like if I increase this color, it will also affect this area. It will just affect this area and this area because there are also some reddish color. That's why. And the lightness, this is opacity, like this. If you increase, if you decrease this color, you'll see. This is the thing, hue, saturation, and the thing. So you can also work individually, right? Red color, it will affect on the red color area. It will affect on the yellow color area. It will affect on the cyan color area. That's it. You can directly switch, and there are also ready-made preset. You can use this. This is the thing, hue saturation. And the color balance, yeah, this is also similar. You can balance the color, cyan color. If you increase the if you switch your cursor to red area, it will increase the reddish. It will affect this area and it will increase the red color, like this. Magenta, if you want to increase the pink color tone, you can just move your cursor to this area, it will increase the pink. If you want to increase the green color tone, you can just move your cursor to this area, green area, it will increase this. Yellow color, if you want to increase the yellow color tone, you can work with this. If you want to increase the blue color, you can increase this. That's it. And also there are some ready-made color tone. That's it. Black and white, if you just click this one, it will make this image to black and white, like this black and white effect. Now if you want to play with this color, red color, you can increase the red color. It will only work with this black and white effect. It's one kind of black and white effect. That's it, black and white. Then photo filter. There are lots of photo filter. You can use this filter. If you select blue, it will just, then you can increase the bluish color. This ready-made preset photo filter. Then color mixer. In this option, you have three individual color. Like you can play with red color, you can play with green color. Look at this. You can play with blue color. After completing there, you can play with this color, RGB color constructs. Then you can increasing that constant value. Then you'll see like this. Again, they have lots of preset. Invert. Invert means like negative effect like this. If I click there, you'll see the invert. Like it's make your image to negative image, something like this.
Yes, sir.
In this option, is make your image to like posterize. Posterize means it's one kind of like artistic, something like this is original. And you can look at this. It's not looking like original image. If I open a character image or some people face, you will see the different index y. And posterize like this, something like this. This is one kind of oily effect or artistic effect. This is the thing, posterize. Then thunder effect like this, like it's look like one kind of pencil art. It's just converting your image to this type of artist like this, original and the desert. And the gradient map like this. If you want to apply gradient on this image, you can apply gradient from here. Then if you decrease this side, you'll see this type of like this gradient. If you want to use gradient on your image, you can do this from here. Then selective color, you can select the color and you can apply this color on your image. This is the thing. Select color, cyan, magenta. This is not important tool. Okay, that's it. This is the tools from here. And group option, we have already see how to make a group like this. We can also see if I press there. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, blending option. Can I discuss this option today? What do you think?
As you wish, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me. Okay, before doing this, let me. Okay, let me just discuss this rectangle. Okay. Once we done our rectangle tool, then we can discuss blending option. So now I'm just creating new artboard. Okay, now I'm selecting the rectangle tool. Okay, so in this rectangle tool, this is one kind of vector like this. If we zoom this image, we can't see any pixel. How pixel it? Okay, for this Photoshop, this is called it's one kind of vector. Okay, the rectangle and the ellipse tool. This is vector. This is vector. This is also a vector. Okay, I'm just draw a rectangle. Okay, whenever I draw a rectangle, for me I have a properties option. If you don't have properties option, you can go there, then you can select this one, properties, then you will see this option. Okay, the first option is your size, like if I increase it is width and height. If I increase this width, it will increase this width and height. And the second option is X and Y, the position of this rectangle. From the X option, from this X size, okay, this is your X area. This area and this area. This is your X area and this is your Y area. So this is the, if I move my, look at this, if I move this one to my like left or right, it will increasing the size. That means this is the position from the X. And if I move this top to bottom, it will just change this one. This is the distance from the Y, distance from the X. That's it. This X and Y. Got it? The position of this rectangle from the X, from the Y. Got it, Atif?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Then the next one is fill color. Okay, the next one is fill color. If you want to change this color to another color, just click there. Then you can change this color like this, like this, like this, this. This is fill color. And the second one is stroke color. It's one kind of vector. So suppose right now there is no stroke color. If I click there, then if I click this one, you will see. Okay. This border area in Photoshop called stroke color, and the inner color, this is called fill color. This is called stroke color and this is called fill. Got it? So if you want to change this fill color, like this, I'm changing this fill color. If you want to change this stroke color, like this, I can change this color. Okay, you can increase and decrease the stroke. If I increase this stroke, look at this, it will increase. If I decrease this stroke, it will decrease the stroke size. Okay, and the third one is your stroke like your stroke type. Right now it's plain. If I change this one, look at this, it will see, it will look something like this. If I change to this dotted, it will make this. Okay, then the Third option is this is your stroke, like the position of this stroke. It will default. If you draw a stroke, it will starting from this center, from this point. But if I change this one, it will just print the screen. Look at this is stroke position. It will start from the center. It will start from here, and it will start from here. This is the position of your how it's look like, something like this. It will start from the center, it will start from there, and it will start from there. Like this is the one kind of uh, your stroke option, like this. How can it start? And this one is your okay, this is your cornering area. If you change this one to there, it will make your corner to curve. If you want to change this one, it will make something like this. Just changing the corner, this and this corner, it will affect. If you want to make it plain, plain. Okay. This will affect when you draw a line. Drawing line. Look at this. Now I'm just drawing a line from line tool. If I go to character, properties option, okay, I'll leave it. Then this option is the roundness of your rectangle. If you increase the payload to 20, then press enter. Now it will make your this area to curve. If you want to make it more curve, like 60, if you press 60, look at this, it will just make your corner to curve. So if you do let me make it 0. Like if you want to increase only this this area, only this corner, so you can unselect this one, deselect this link. Then if you 90, then press alter. Look at this, it just curve this area like this.
Yes, sir.
If you want to curve this area, just press alter. It will only curve this two area. That's it. Okay, and then last one, this is called pathfinder. Like like I want to take this. If you press this area, then if you click there, look at this, it's just deleted the inner side and it's just fill this area like this. If you go there, you'll see.